Okay, welcome to King FX Trading Mastery. If this is your first time, you'll be checking on our channel. Make sure you click that subscribe button below and ensure you activate the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we upload any new content. All right, guys. So let's get started in this with this new uh, coming week analysis. All right. So this analysis is going to be between Monday, April 26th to April 30th, 2021. Right. So guys, if you have been following our analysis so far, all the pairs we analyzed during this past week played out, but unfortunately, a lot of us were not able to cash some of the move due to inconsistency in the market. All right. So according to our record, a lot of the pairs played out. So guys, let's get started in the analysis. So for those of you who are watching this analysis for the first time, this strategy you are looking right in front of you is called the King strategy. All right. This is a strategy that we have been using for quite some times, and a lot of people have been benefiting from this strategy. So if you want to learn about this strategy, make sure you watch this video to the end. All right, so there's a link at the end of this video where you can click to learn about this strategy. So this strategy is called the King strategy, and feel free to browse through our channel. We have bunch of videos that can teach you how to use this strategy effectively to make money for yourself. All right, so let's get started in today's this week analysis. Once again, this analysis is between monday April 26th to April 30th, 2021. All right, the first pair I'll be looking at is AUD Swiss Franc. AUD Swiss Franc, it is still sell bias right now. So the candle that closed on Friday, which is yesterday, closed uh bullish. Okay, it's just an indecision candle, as we can see. So but the previous candle that closed on Thursday closed bearish as bearish engulfing, but overall the candle that closed the weekly candle proves to us that is an inside bar, so we may see this to push down some more with this. So according to this formation, we are still expecting AUD Swiss franc to push down during this coming week, all right, to break this low resistance, then come to touch the 120 moving average on weekly time frame. So this may not happen in 1 week, all right. So with this, we still sell bias coming to daily. Once market opens on Sunday night, so we want to look for a sell. So our first target is going to be 0.7006. All right. So AUD Swiss franc, we want to look for a sell. So once the market opens, once the cross between the black and blue EMA happens, you want to take your sell, want to take your sell entry, and our first take profit is going to be 0.7053, right? This low is going to be our first take profit, while 0.706 is going to be our next take profit. So once this low got broken on daily time frame, so we're expecting price to push down some more. All right, so AUD Swiss franc, look for a sell. The next pair I'll be talking about is AUD Jpy. AUD Jpy is still sell bias also, so still expecting it to go down. So the weekly candle close as a bearish candle. So with this, we may expect price to pull down some more, but coming to daily, we can see with several candles that this is still ranging. All right, still ranging on daily. So we may expect uh this pair to pull down some more during this coming week. All right, so it is still sell bias. So we are expecting this the cross between the 5 and 12 moving average to happen. So once the cross happen, we take your sell entry, and the first take profit is going to be 83.04. All right, while the next take profit is going to be 82.22. All right, during this coming week. So if this level get broken, if 82.22 get broken, then we are heading towards the 120 moving average, which is 80.60, which we think may not happen in 2 days. All right, so remember, this is sell bias. On the cross happen, take your sell entry and take your first profit at 83.04, while the next target is going to be 82.22. So AUD JPY, look for a sell. AUD USD, this is still buy bias. All right, so the candle that closed on AUD USD closed bullish with some rejection. So with this, we're expecting what price is going to do, but we are hoping this is going to pull up some more during this coming week. So the candle that closed on Friday, which is the daily candle, closed as a bullish candle. So with this in mind, coupled with the bias of the pair, we expect this to go up some more during this coming week. So we expect it to come up to break this level. All right, to break the to break this level and come to touch 0.7845 if ever the drop is going to happen. All right, so AUD USD, we are looking for a buy. So we wait for the pullback to come to touch the 120 moving average, then you take your buy entry to the upside. So our first profit is going to be 0.7807. All right, our first profit is going to be 0.7807 on AUD USD. So once price gets to that level, the next target right above is going to be 0.7997. Right, so if this level get broken, if 0.7807 get broken, our next target is going to be 0.7997. So AUD USD is good for a buy. AUD USD, look for a buy. The next pair I'll be talking about is AUD NZD. AUD NZD, currently AUD NZD is sell bias, so we want to look for a sell. So the candle that closed, the weekly candle closed as bearish engulfing. So this is most certainly going to cause this pair to drop some more, to touch the 120 moving average at 1.0649. All right, so the daily candle closed as bullish candle. So with this in mind, we may still expect this pair to pull up. All right, we may still expect it to pull up some more before the final drop may happen. All right, before the final drop may happen, but nevertheless, we are still sell bias on this trade. All right, so once the market opens, the cross has already happened, so you want to take your sell entry All right, take your sell entry, and this low right here is going to be your first take profit. So your first take profit is going to be 1.0729. All right, while your next take profit, our next take profit is going to be 1.0649. Right, so this is good for a sell. AUD NZD, look for a sell. AUD NZD, look for a sell. Euro AUD, Euro AUD is buy bias right now. So the weekly candle close as bullish engulfing candle. So this is most certainly going to cause this to pull up to 1.5908. Most markets open during this coming week, so we're expecting this to break this resistance to touch 1.5908, which is towards the 120 moving average on weekly. All right, so the daily candle also proves to us that this is ready to pull up. The daily candle that closed on Friday. All right, so guys, with this in mind, our next target once market opens is going to be 1.5671. So since we're still biased on this pair, we can see the continuation is about to happen right here. So once market opens, we want to look for a good trade opportunity right here. You probably may want to wait for the pullback to happen, then take your buy entry and take your first profit before 1.5671. Right, and if that level get broken, our next target is going to be 1.5908. So Euro AUD, look for a buy. Euro JPY, Euro JPY is buy bias. Okay, so the weekly candle closed as a perfect bullish engulfing. So this is a clear evidence that we may see this level get broken to the upside. We may see it get broken during this coming week to touch 133.18. So while the daily candle closed a with also a bullish engulfing, the candle that closed on Friday closed as bullish engulfing, which means we have bullish engulfing on weekly, we have it on daily. So this is a good confirmation that this level is most certainly going to get broken for price to push up further. All right, so this is buy bias right now. So our trading time frame, as you know, is 1 hour. So we want to wait for price to pull back to touch the 120 moving average, then on its way up, catch your entry. Catch your entry, catch your entry, while your first take profit is going to be 130.90. All right, 130.90, and if that level get broken, the next target is going to be 133.18. That is the overall target. The upper resistance is the overall target for the coming week. All right, so guys, this is going to be a good trade for us. Euro AUD, Euro JPY, I beg your pardon. Look for a buy. Euro Card. Euro Card is also buy bias. So the weekly candle closed as an inside bar. So with this as a bullish candle, so and we have seen this, we have seen price touched the 120 moving average. Sorry, I beg your pardon. Looking at the monthly, so the weekly candle shows bullish and it has come back to touch the 120 moving average on weekly. All right, so and on daily we see this, we have an engulfing candle, so we may see price pull back up to touch the 120 moving average again, before the drop. All right, because we expect this to drop based on the move we have on weekly candle. All right, so we expect this to drop some more, probably on the upper week. That is when we may have the drop, but we're going to see how this is going to unfold. All right, so guys, with this we are still buy bias on this pair, so we look for a pullback, then you catch your trade entry to the upside. So you take your first profit at this before this resistance, which is 1.5176, and if that level get broken, we expect it to push up some more to this level. All right, so we expect it to push up some more to this level if if 1.5176 get broken. All right, so we want to look for a buy on Euro card, Euro NZD. Euro NZD, this is buy bias. So the weekly candle, we have a perfect candlestick pattern. So on weekly, which shows that this is ready to push up some more, a perfect inside back candle. We can see it, guys. This is a perfect inside back candle, so we may expect this to push up some more during this coming week. All right, so while the daily candle that closed on Friday is also a bullish candle, so with this on daily we can see Euro NZD is ranging and it's coming from a support, so we're expecting this to go back up to touch this resistance at 1.6979. all right, to touch 1.6979, and if this level get broken, we're expecting it to push up some more to 1.7322. all right, so guys, Euro NZD, we want to look for a buy. So we wait for the pullback, then we catch our entry to the upside. All right, catch our entry to the upside. This is going to be a long way to the upside, so you want to take your profit along the way. All right, so we're expecting this to push up some more to 1.6979 during this coming week, so it has the room to push up very well. So Euro NZD, look for a buy. Euro NZD, look for a buy. Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc is also buy bias. So the weekly candle proves to us that this is a bullish engulfing candle. So we may see price push up some more during this coming week to touch around this level, to touch 1.1117. right, during this coming week. So, and the daily candle also proved to us that it's an bullish engulfing candle, which proves to us that this is ready to pull off some more. All right, so having this in mind, this is still very well buy bias. It's also a good trade that we want to look out for. So we want to look out for a buy trade opportunity right here, guys. All right, so and you take your first profit at 1.1061. all right, while the red resistance is going to be the overall target for the week. I hope this is clear, guys. So you look for a buy entry. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. Euro GBP is the next one I'll be talking about. Euro GBP is also buy bias. So the weekly candle closed with a perfect engulfing candle. So this is a clear indication to us that this pair may move up some more to touch the 120 moving average, right? It may push up some more to touch the 120 moving average at 0.8848, all right, during this coming week. So why the daily candle also proves to us that this is an engulfing, it's a bullish uh, candle. So it's telling us that this is going to keep pushing up some more. So as we expect this to touch the 120 moving average on daily. So with this in mind, we want to wait for the pullback. All right, wait for the pullback, then we catch our trade entry to the upside. All right, so Euro GBP, look for a buy. When we look for a buy, our first profit is going to be 0.8729. And once that level get broken, we are moving to the upper resistance. So Euro GBP, look for a buy. Euro GBP, look for a buy. Euro USD. On the other hand, Euro USD is also buy bias. So, and the weekly candle close pretty strong with bullish engulfing candle. So this is a clear indication that once market opens, we are expecting Euro USD to push up to 1.2240 during this coming week. All right. So while the daily candle closed with a perfect engulfing candle, and if you take note, if you check all our analysis, most of all the pairs played out, we analyze that we expect Euro USD to come up to 1.2109, and now price is around the corner. During this previous week, that was our analysis, and now it's around the corner. All right. So, and a lot of pairs like that did the same thing we predicted, did exactly what we predicted. So now we expect, based on this strong momentum, we expect Euro USD to also break this level. All right, we expect to also break this level to come up to 1.2240 during this coming week. So Euro USD, we have to, let's wait for the pullback. All right, wait for the pullback to come into the engulfing area, then catch your buy entry to the upside. All right, catch your buy entry, and you want to take your first profit right at 1.2107. Once that level get broken, we are moving to the upper resistance. Euro USD is going to be a good trade for us to look out for. So Euro USD, look for a buy. GBP JPY. GBP JPY is the next pair we'll be talking about. This is sell bias also. GJ is sell bias. So the weekly candle shows bearish engulfing. So this may cause this to push down some more. All right, as we still expect overall, we're expecting price to come into the 120 moving average. So we still have a long way, probably within 2 months or 6 weeks. It's going to take that long time to get to the 120 moving average. So we want to be able to catch the move. So the daily candle proves to us that the level has been broken. So this is not so clear, but it's close bullish. We may first see this to push up, then on its way down. So guys, with this in mind, overall we are still bearish on the GJ. Okay, so once the cross happen between the two EMA, you take your sell trade, you take your sell trade and take your first profit before 149.03. all right, while the next one is going to be sorry, I think I have two lines there. Okay, your first profit is going to be 148.8 1.8.67. All right, 1.8.67. That's going to be our first take profit. And once market breaks that level, we are heading towards the 120 moving average on daily. So GBP JPY, let's look for a sell. GBP NZD. GBP NZD is also sell bias. So the daily candle closed with a perfect bearish candle. So with this in mind, we expect this to keep pushing down towards 1.8950. All right, on weekly. While on daily we have a pin bar. So a pin bar, sorry, a shooting star. We have a shooting star right here. So this is an indication that this is going to push down to some more once market opens. So the next, if this should pull down, is going to come down to 1.9166. So once market opens, we want to take our sell entry. Okay, so now we wait for the pullback, then catch the sell entry to the downside. All right, so our first take profit is a long way. We may take our first profit around here, this low. Once market push back up, we take our first profit right at this low, which is 1.9273, and the next one is going to be down below, which is 1.9166. All right, but overall during this coming week, we expect price to come to this low minimum. All right, so that is what we're expecting price to do. So guys, GN, you want to look for a sell. GBP NZD, look for a sell. GBP AUD, we are still sell bias on GA. GA, the candidate close with a pin bar, bullish inside bar. So we may see what price is going to do right here. All right, so we're based on this analysis, we still expect price to push down some more. All right, so on daily we have a bearish candle. So with this in mind, we expect this to push down some more. Okay, we expect it to push down some more as market opens. So because we are still very well sell bias on this, so once market opens, we wait for the pullback, then catch your sell entry. Okay, then take your first profit at 1.7834. all right, while the next profit is going to be 1.7731. so GBP AUD, a sell, look for a sell on GA. G-Chef is also sell bias. All right, so on weekly, the weekly candle closed as a bearish candle. Okay, so with this, we may see this, expect this to push down some more during this coming week. So we are expecting and hoping this is going to pull down to this support. So this may take 1 or 2 weeks, okay, depending on the volatility. So we're expecting this to still push down to 1.2243 on weekly. So on daily, we can see this also has a bearish candle, so which tells us that this may push down some more to 1.2560. all right, which is going to be towards the 120 moving average by the time market moves. So we are still sell bias on this pair, so we want to wait for price to push up, then catch our sell trade. All right, catch our sell trade, and we take our first profit right at this level, which is 1.2626. all right, GBP Swiss franc, take a sell and catch your first profit before 1.2626, and right after that we are heading towards the 120 moving average. All right, so G shelf, look for a sell. G shelf, look for a sell. G card is the next one. This is also sell bias. All right, so we have a big rejection from G card. So this tells us that we may still have some drop once market opens. All right, so we're going to see what's going to happen, but this big rejection is a clear indication that price is going to drop some more once market opens. So we may see price drop some more to 1.7153 during this coming week. All right, and the the daily candle close on Friday, we have a perfect inside bar. All right, so but the weekly, I think, supersede the daily. So anything can happen once market opens. We may see this push up first in the next 1 or 2 days before it pulls down. All right, so but based on this strategy, this is still very well sell bias. So once the cross happen or see pull up some more, once the cross happen, take your sell trade and get out of the market before 1.7171. All right, so GBP card, look for a sell. GBP card, look for a sell. Nzd USD is the next one I'll be talking about. Nzd USD, we are still buy bias on this trade. So the weekly candle closed with bullish candle. All right, so still close with bullish candle. We are absolutely expecting this to come down to this red support. All right, but we're still hoping price is still going to do that. So we hope it's going to do that, but price can decide to do anything. So we only need to follow the price. All right, so with this in mind, I expect this to push up some more. So during this coming week, probably to this red resistance, which is 0.7449. all right, while the daily candle, we can see this is an inside bar, which may cause this to push up some more during this coming week. So Nzd USD is a buy trade, so we look for a buy trade, look for the pullback. Once the pullback happens, take your buy trade and take your first profit before 0.7226, while the next one is going to be right above 0.7267. all right, so Nzd USD is good for a buy trade. Nzd USD is good for a buy trade. The next pair I'll be talking about is USD Jpy. USD Jpy is still on the downside. It's still bearish. So the weekly candle closed with strong bearish candle. All right, so and it has touched the 120 moving average, but we may still expect this to push down some more to somewhere here to 106.14 during this coming week. All right, so while the daily candle also tells us it's also like we have some rejection on the daily candle, so price may decide to push up some more in the next 1 or 2 days before they pull down, if ever price is ready to pull down. But this is not so clear, but we are still very well sell bias. All right, so once the crosses happen, take your sell trade and come out of this trade first before 107.50. all right, because this move may cause this pair to push up some more in the next 2 days before the drop will happen, if ever the drop is going to happen. So USD JPY, look for a sell. USD Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc is also sell bias. All right, we can see USD Swiss franc is roving around the support. So on weekly candle, USD Swiss franc shows bearish on weekly candle. All right, so this may cause it to pull down to this support at, it causes it to pull down to 0.9011 during this coming week. All right, while the daily candle also confirmed that with bearish engulfing. All right, so price is currently roving at a support, okay, which is right on the 120 moving average. So with this, we expect market to break this level and come down a little bit more, all right, during this coming week. So guys, this is still very well sell bias. So we want to wait for this to pull up, then we catch our sell trade on its way down. We catch our sell trade on its way down. So we take our first profit before 0.9128, while the next profit is going to be down below, which is our overall weekly target. All right, so USD Swiss franc, look for a sell. The last pair I'll be talking about today is USD Card. USD Card is also sell bias. It's also sell bias. All right, so the weekly candle, we have some rejection from the upside to the downside. So this candle closed bearish during this last week. So this coming week, we may see this to push down some more to 1.2366 during this coming week. All right, so while the daily candle that closed on Friday indicates to us that we may see this to push down some more. We may see it to push down some more to the destination of the higher time frame. So with this in mind, we expect this to push down. All right, we expect USD card to push down. The cross has happened, so we want to wait for the pullback. Then we take our sell trade. All right, so guys, this is a good one for us. Make sure you take your profit along the line before you get to the destination to avoid retracement. All right, so USD card, look for a sell. Guys. So that's what I have for you guys. Just a quick recap. AUD Swiss franc, look for a sell. AUD JPY, look for a sell. AUD USD, look for a buy. AUD NZD, sell. Euro AUD, buy. Euro JPY, buy. Euro card, buy. Euro NZD, buy. Euro Swiss franc, buy. Euro GBP, buy. Euro USD, buy. GBP JPY, buy. GBP NZD, sell. GBP AUD, sell. GBP share, sell. GBP card, sell. NZD USD, buy. USD JPY, sell. USD Swiss franc, sell. And USD card, sell. So guys, that's what I have for you. The week pair that we are able to spot for the week are AUD, we expect it to go weak. GBP, Great Britain pounds, we expect it to go weak. USD, US dollars, we expect it to go weak. While the strong ones that we are able to spot is Euro, we expect Euro to go strong during this coming week. All right, and we also expect card to go strong during this coming week, and we also expect NZD to go strong during this coming week. All right, guys. So this is what I have for you guys. We have enough trade to look out for during this coming week. All right, so guys, once again, this is the King strategy. For those of you who want to learn about this King strategy, there is a link down below this analysis that you can click to learn more about the strategy, and there's a link at the end of this video that will direct you to where the link where you can learn more about the strategy. All right, so don't forget, before you end this, you go away from this video, make sure you click the subscribe button, click the like button, drop your comment in the chat, and share this with your loved ones. So I hope to see you guys during the midweek analysis, and if not, I hope to see you guys next week. So thank you so much for having me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy trading and God bless. Bye bye for now.